Let's turn our focus now to an update on the Government of National Unity, which faces uncertainty as the parties involved are unable to agree on adapting the national budget framework that Finance Minister Enoch Godongwana proposed last month. Now, however, the African National Congress Secretary General Fikile Mbalula has reassured the public that the parties are getting closer to agreeing on the budget's approval. Mbalula was briefing the media earlier today at Luthuli House in Johannesburg on the outcomes of the National Executive Committee's meeting held over the weekend.
Akwaziwa iyozala nkomoni inhlangano yohulumeni obambiswano phecelezi Government of National Unity njengoba kuqhubeka umdonsiswane wokuvumelana ngesabelomali esathulwe ePhalamende ngenyanga eyedlule. I-ANC ithi kusukela kulezi ngxoxo ababenazo izolo nanamhlanje ekseni bayasondela ekutholeni isivumelwano.
We are at the portfolio committee now. I'm sure it's on at 10. It will be reflective as to whether we are able to move all of us together going forward in terms of adopting the framework of the budget and then going into Parliament tomorrow. So that will be reflected. But I can tell you that there's been a back and forth between us and parties. We do have a draft framework on the table to engage all parties in the GNU, having spoken to everybody.
Kusenjalo Mbalula uthi njengamanje abakafiki kwisivumelwane neqembu le-Democratic Alliance njengoba ke ilala iphenduke kwizinto ezifunayo.
Raise issues of devolution and all of that. We are addressing the question of devolution in terms of government in the rail policy and so on. There's been overzealousness to say that ANC have reached an agreement with the DA. We don't have an agreement. We have been engaging on their issues that they've put across. But to suggest that there is an agreement between us and them is not correct.
Isabelomali saveza ukunyuswa kwentela phezu kwakho konke nokwenza kuphambane imbono phakathi kwe-ANC ne-DA. Kanti-ke i-DA isabise ngokuqabuka kwefindo lomshado le-GNU uma ingavumelwana kwizikhalazo zayo. Ezindabeni ze-Soweto TV, ngikuNokulunga Mthembu ngiseJohannesburg.